Scott Holbrook, Director of Sales, Secure Sling and Strap. I'm actually sitting outside of one of our clients, Amarillo Bolt, here in downtown Amarillo, Texas. And the reason I'm sitting outside is because I can't go inside. You can see this man right here. He's reading the sign. They are open for business. They are serving clients, but in an effort to stop the spread of the coronavirus, no one's allowed inside the showroom or inside the warehouse. What you got to do is you got to call ahead of time. They'll get your order ready, stage it, and then when you get here, give them a call. They'll come out, load you up, and away you go. And so they are still doing business. Great to see. And generally speaking, it's what I've noticed as I've started this trip going east with my family. Is that America has not shut down. Trucks are still on the road. Businesses are still open, just operating a bit differently. They've adapted to the situation. And so, for example, restaurants, they aren't closed down. It's for takeout. And so, my daughters and I went to my favorite restaurant in El Paso, and we went in. We had our order prepared. We took it out and went and eat it at a picnic bench, a little ways down the road at a park. It was a fun thing. And as you go to truck stops, they are open. Showers and everything are functioning. The subways are serving, but the lounge areas are closed, and so you can't just hang out, in the truck stop in the lounge area watching TV. And so, everyone's made changes, made sacrifices, made adaptations to the situation at hand. But America, is still going on. America is still doing business, and that's great to see.